Mamelodi Sundowns ishaye Marumo Gallants kuma-penalty we-culling knockout. Le cup leli ku-podcast yeMamelodi Sundowns izolo bebasakhuluma ukuthi bayafuna ukuliwina, kumele bayiwine uku-make sure ukuthi they cement i-dominance yabo ku-South African football. Lento lena yokuwina nje iligi kuphela abayifuni futhi abayithandi, but iMamelodi Sundowns they are out. Just weeks after beluze i-MTN 8 laphana ku-Orlando Pirates again kuma-penalty, i-pressure-ke serious-ke laphana ku-coach and ama-fans amaningi athi uMiguel Cardoso akahambe. Futhi kudala bayisho lento lo ukuthi noma kudala beyisho lento lo ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso akahambe kuMamelodi Sundowns because it's not even about winning nje kuphela, but ibhola lidlalayo for iMamelodi Sundowns akusiyilo bafowethu. Ama-team awasayisabi iMamelodi Sundowns noma kuthiwa uyawina but iwina unconvincingly. Ishawe ilokhunjana i-Golden Arrows i-dominance 0, azange i-dominate kuleya game le, only for them to come back and score amagoli amaningi. But-ke iMamelodi Sundowns overall i-fluidity yakhona isafani. So uMiguel Cardoso utshentshe into ey'ningi kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns. I mean u-introduce izinto eziningi ukuthi aseyivele iMamelodi Sundowns imali, yathi kunama-player amaningi kwasha kwacima, bamlethela nama-player wakhe wase-Portugal. Well, maybe still early, but according to ama-standards weMamelodi Sundowns, if you fail njengoba uMiguel Cardoso afeyila kanje uyahamba straight. But-ke singazi ukuthi bazodila kanjani naye ngoba i-Portuguese akusiwo umuntu omnyama. Umuntu omnyama they won't even think twice, ngabe uhambile, ngabe sonke siyazi ukuthi vele straight uyahamba, ayikho indaba yakhe. Bake basimangaza-ke previously-ke kuhamba ucoach weMamelodi Sundowns bebadlala ibhola elihle, but because of ama-results bowangekho bahamba coach uRhulani Mokwena, bahamba uManqoba Mnqethi-ke futhi sithukile last season avele nje ahamba. So Miguel Cardoso naye kuyabonakala ukuthi uzophekha iy'mpahla zakhe ahambe, but-ke uMiguel Cardoso unama-excuses amaningi, uyakwazi ukuzi-protect-a, sobona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuzi-protect-a from i-management yeMamelodi Sundowns. But I mean i-nightmare start overall ukuthi baqale isizini baluze ama-cup games awu-2 important. Maybe ama-tactics waka-Miguel Cardoso aba-understand, and we're seeing something different kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi oTeboho Mokoena banokuqala ebhentshini, izinto ezinjalo. So kuningi ngempela okwenzakalayo laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So iMamelodi Sundowns kumele kube i-top notch standard ye-South African football because of i-financial pedigree abanayo and because of what they've built throughout the year. Ibar lihayi ngempela laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bawine, noma kuthiwa coach abani bafethu kumele bawine laphana, noma kuthiwa khona abani egroundini kumele bawine, but okwamanje i-dominance yabo kubonakala ngathi hayi iyaphela ngempela because we know they don't even sure if bazoqhubeka ngedominance yabo because of the style of play. Ibhola abadlalayo bafethu alikho convincing at all, 0. Like leyo nto leyo eMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ba-control ama-game, ba-create ama-clear chances amaningi ayikho at the moment. So I mean bewafuna i-MTN 8. I remember very well oCupido bekhuluma kuma-interviews bathi i-MTN 8 bayayifuna ngempela, icup ekumele baluwine ukuthi baqale isizini kahle, azange balithole. I-culling manje bebakhuluma uVilakazi, i-ambassador iMamelodi Sundowns or usebenza behind the scenes, bekhuluma naye laphana ku-pitch side yakhona ukuthi ba-desperate for lela cup lela kumele baluwine ngempela, naka baluwinanga. So yini into eseleke manje-ke kuMamelodi Sundowns ngoba bashayiwe laphana ku-knockout by Marumo Gallants. Iside leli elispendi last season, they were fighting for relegation at some point, and then-ke bakwazi ukusurvive after baletha uCoach Wadu. Ama-penalty heartbreak bafethu. Obviously-ke kuMamelodi Sundowns kubonakala ngathi kune-lack of trust ku-leadership, poor finishing laphana, technical confusion overall, ba-confused ngathi ama-play. This is not what Mamelodi Sundowns fans are used to, by the way, ukuthi babone i-team yabo istruggle kanje. uMiguel Cardoso-ke u-under pressure-ke kakhulu manje, kakhulu indaba yokudlala bafethu. I mean coach wasePortugal lona olethelwe imission eyi-1 ukuthi making sure ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yawina after ukuxoshwa kwaManqoba Mnqethi laphana, but so far i-project yaka-Miguel Cardoso ibonakala ngathi shaking ngempela. Ball position banokuyibamba kuma-games, but-ke ama-goals ne-dominance nokuthi nje ama-teams ayisaba Mamelodi Sundowns konke lokho kuhambile. Under coach Rhulani Mokwena iMamelodi Sundowns beyidlala nge-flair, nge-structure, nge-confidence nange-dominance, but under uMiguel Cardoso ibonakala iMamelodi Sundowns i-predictable, overcoached. Ngithi overcoached because I remember this one time umuntu weMamelodi Sundowns bekhuluma ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns akusiyi-team efocusa ku-defense kakhulu. Why? Seba-master manje ilokhunjani ama-offside trap, and there was a time la iMamelodi Sundowns ikora 1 goal against iStellenbosch if angenzi iphutha. Sabona iMamelodi Sundowns seyi-defensive, sefaka ama-defenders nje kuphela. That's not iMamelodi Sundowns esiyazi. iMamelodi Sundowns they lead 1-0 but still bayayi-dominate igame, but under uMiguel Cardoso lokho akusekho ngempela, kushintshe izinto eziningi kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns. So bazomthemba kanjani ucoach lo o-overcoach-ayo i-team? A lot of fans are calling him out. Sabona ama-fans are angry laphana. Can't remember if Bokui-Loftus or Lucas Moripe la bebavimba khona ibhasi leMamelodi Sundowns bebonisa ama-frustrations wabo, ama-fans ekwate ngempela eganweni wabo. But yeah, uMiguel Cardoso unhlezi nama-excuse overall, but we'll see ukuthi indaba yakhe neMamelodi Sundowns izophela kanjani. I mean, masibheka nje izinto ezi-wrong kuMamelodi Sundowns, I think inkinga yama-technique noma technical view of things. uCardoso uza i-system yakhe e-relya too much ukuthi i-defense ibe strong, and then ku-build up iMamelodi Sundowns is-slow. I-transition yabo ayikho fast than as iMamelodi Sundowns la siyaziyo. So ama-opponents ku-easy ukuthi a-adapte nanokuthi akwazi ukurecovera kalula. Ama-teams afana nabo-Marumo Gallants ayazi ukuthi they have to try and wait for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi yenze amaphutha and then try and catch them kuma-counter attack, because and then again i-finishing laphana phambili Peter Shalulile abekho. As much as Peter Shalile masimbheka u-hungry, but at the same time ngamgxeka kanjani Peter Shalile because akayitholi i-game time, uthola ama-minutes ambalwa, ufakwa soku-late noma naye thola ukuthi uyayithola i-chance, but-ke akekho, i-match fitness yakhe iphansi kakhulu compared to amanye ama-player because he's struggling ukuthola ama-minutes awa-deservayo. I mean, i-mentality eMamelodi Sundowns, I think mawukuMamelodi Sundowns, I don't even think, I know you have to be a winner. You have to get results no matter the competition, no matter the stage. You have to try and push all out, but that's not happening because angazi ukuthi isquad sabo sincane compared to le squad lesi uMiguel Cardoso asithola lapha. uMiguel Cardoso sine-squad sakhe yena asifunayo, bamsanele nama-player wakhe awafunayo, but-ke what we seeing i-crisis ngempela serious. Then kune-pressure-ke obviously ama-expectations from iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi you can't fail, losing i-cup, i-crisis. Labantu baku-pitch side sengikhohle ukuthi u-DJ Naze or u-DJ bani bethi by the way, i-pitch side i-podcast le yaMamelodi Sundowns abayishuthela lapha ne-Natural athi for bona even ne-draw bafila ngathi baluzile, so ama-results bayawadinga by any means necessary laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. That is why kumele ngempela bathole ucoach ozokwazi ukuthena izinto around. Yeah, I mean, ama-frustrated ngempela ama-fans. I don't see ama-fans amaningi. I think I'm reading things online. I've been reading things for a couple of hours, and I haven't seen umuntu othi weMamelodi Sundowns, by the way, othi mnikeni isikhathi uMiguel Cardoso, no, but uMiguel Cardoso akahambi. Abanye sebaze bathi baprefera uPitso than uMiguel Cardoso because senaso isikhathi impela efikile kuMamelodi Sundowns, besingasho if usaqeda ukufika, but senesikhathi indaba yakhe ku-experimenta ayisekho at all manje. Bekumele afele earlier on and then-ke abuilde i-team e-strong, e-formidable, ekwaziyo ukushaya amagoli, and kubonakala ngathi unama-favorite. I mean, ulo yabona uMatthews uyadlala ukudlala, but there are moments la thola ukuthi uMatthews uyahluleka ukuconverta ama-golden opportunities amaningi. But uMatthews will always play laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. What about uMaseko, masibabheka ama-players agudi, uTsiki Ntshabeleng asikakamboni kakhulu that much, so unama-player wakhe ama-favorite. There's nothing wrong kuba nama-favorite, but you have to get ama-results. You have to form i-team ethola ama-results overall. Otherwise you are gone. So what's next bafethu masibheka ukuthi bayaphi from la. So kwenzakalani ngempela if uMiguel Cardoso phela there's no way I inspire Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi i-react strong, maybe-ke le loss lena i-wake up call for yena, cause ungasho ukuthi udominate igame, you can dominate the game, but if you don't have ama-solutions wokuthi ukore ushaye amagoli, ayikho phela indaba yakho, ayikho ngempela. Yeah. So yeah, sizibambelana okwamanje bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.